Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix Roblox error 524. Now to basically fix this problem, it is extremely simple. So just head over to your Roblox application. You could be doing this from your web browsers or mobile devices, it doesn't matter. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over into your account settings. Now, the placement of setting button is going to be different for each devices out there, but in my case it's going to be inside the more section, inside settings, and from here you then want to navigate through your account info. Now inside, the first thing that we want to do is to go ahead and make sure that our account is 13 plus. From here you then want to scroll down, and then you want to simply verify your age. In my case, my age is already verified. So the button will not appear right here to go ahead and verify my age, but if yours are not, you just want to simply verify your age. Now the next thing that we want to do is to simply head over into each one of these settings. So just go through the privacy and content restrictions, and from here you then want to set everything into everyone. Now let's go ahead and say that we want to navigate through communication, experience chat. We want to make sure that this is set to everyone. You want to do this for every single settings out there. So for example, once again, let's navigate through visibility. We want to make sure that once again it is set to everyone. So from there, you will then be able to fix this problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.